My name is Priyanka. I'm from Nalgonda, Telangana. I have recently graduated from Engineering College in the stream of ECE. I have joined Jspiders in December 2024 for the Java full stack course. During my academics, I don't know much about coding, but after joining here, I learned so many things and I improved my technical skills. And mock sections and the presentation classes were very helpful to crack this ADP interview. And the trainers here are very helpful and they taught concepts very clearly and from the scratch. And HR team are very supportive and they added so many recruitments for me. And this is my sixth interview and I got placed as associate functional consultant with a package of 6 LPA, and I'm very thankful for the old Jspiders team for their constant support and for trainers for